if you're someone that's been doing kettlebell swings and you have low back pain, knee pain, hip pain, and you're not sure what to do, you've tried different people on YouTube trying to figure out your technique and you can't figure out what to do to fix your back pain, fix your hip pain or knee pain, and do your kettlebell swings correctly, then this video is for you. All right, I'm going to show you how to do kettlebell swings correctly. I've helped many of my clients fix their back trouble and do their swings correctly. Now they're enjoying them and getting the many benefits that kettlebell swing has to offer. So stick around and let's get through how to do the kettlebell swing the right way. Let's get after it, guys. All right. So the kettlebell swing. So this exercise is excellent for full body athletic building. It's going to burn calories. It's going to burn fat. It's going to get you stronger overall. But at the same time, if you do it wrong, you can hurt yourself, just like any other exercise, especially a bell, a moving weight. If you do that incorrectly, that is going to negatively affect you. And that's one of the reasons you have your hip pain. That's why you're here. All right. That's why I'm showing this with you. Or that's why I'm in this video. That's why I'm in this video. And that's why I'm here to help you through that. So what you want to do with the kettlebell swing, well, the top thing that I see that people do incorrectly is, what is it? Hinging too soon. What does that mean? All right, so when you're doing that kettlebell swing, all right, the bell's coming up, all right? As it comes down, if you hinge too soon, as it right there, if you're hinging too soon, all that weight and load is coming down and it's going to have to transfer that energy somewhere. And that's usually where the back takes that load. And you feel, why is my back hurting? Most often than not, it's because you hinge too soon, all right? There are a number of other things it could be, but that's one of the main things I see with clients is they're just hinging too soon. They're not waiting and being patient with that bell coming down, all right? If you, like I said, if you hinge too soon, your back's gonna feel it. That weight's gonna hit somewhere, and usually it's the lower back. So how do you correct that? All right, so what I want you to imagine is you have a triangle between your knees up to your pelvis here, right? You have this imaginary triangle, all right? Your goal is to get that bell inside the triangle, and if you don't get it inside the triangle, then your back's gonna suffer, all right? So how do you do that? So again, like I said, waiting for that bell to come down. If you hinge too late, or too soon, the bell doesn't go in the triangle, it goes below the knees. You want to keep that bell above the knees inside that triangle, all right? So what do? As you swing that bell, as you're exploding that bell up and it's coming down, this is usually where people hinge down, all right? They can't wait to start their next rep, or they haven't understood how to do the proper technique. That's why you're here today. That's why I'm teaching this to you. So simple fix. You wait a split second more, because again, the bell's moving, and your arms are right by your sides. Your forearms are starting to touch to your side. Your triceps, your forearms, this area here, right here, and then almost until it's the last second, you need to move out of the way, and then you hinge back. That's going to load that bell in that triangle like I just mentioned, all right? And that's going to keep that back safe, all right? So again, bell coming up, bell floating down. Wait a split second. Right when you want to hinge, give yourself a split second more. Wait, and then get out of the way. All right? That's the first thing. That's the main thing I see when people are doing their kettlebell swings and they have that lower back pain, which can translate to the knees as well and the hips if you're doing it, if you're off. But the second thing I see is not engaging their core properly at the swing. So that starts in the beginning. So let's backtrack to the start of the bell, start of the setup. All right, one thing, this is a huge tip that I learned years ago starting my kettlebell journey is actively engage your abs and core before you set up the swing, all right? What I like to do is a low plank hold. I like to get into that plank position first to really get those abs fired. Hold that 20, 30 seconds or so before. But then right before I do every set of swings, I make sure my abs are fired by setting it up in this proper order, right? So of course I sit up foot space away from that bell. Okay. This is that the little thing that I changed and made sure, and it's kept my back safe, my abs safe, my clients' backs and abs back safe, because they're engaging the core, which is what takes the load. Again, with your hips, if you load it in that triangle, like I just said, your abs are bracing. And when you brace your abs, your lower back doesn't have to take the load, which is how it should be. All right. So how do you do that? So you have your bell. All right. You're setting it up. This is that key thing I want you to start doing before every single one of your swings of your sets of swings is your setup. All right. Foot space away from the bell. All right. Feet by the side here. I'll show you from the front. You're going to rotate your pelvis up like you're doing a mini crunch. Power breathe. Hold your abs. You should feel your abs contract. You're going to hold that. You're going to hold that. All right. Legs locked. You're going to find your hip after you crunch. Hip, and you're going to hinge. My abs are still engaged. All right. I find make sure my forearms can reach the inside of my thighs here. I grab the bell. My abs are still engaged. I breathe in. I hold it, and then I hike it back, and then I go into my swings. All while my abs are still engaged. That's going to protect that lower back. All right. That's what's going to brace it for impact, so to speak, as the bell comes down. That's a load. That's a weight. That's something that has to be absorbed somewhere, and you want it to be absorbed in your hips and your abs. All right. So third thing is, drum roll, that's going to be your breathing. All right. So your breathing is going to dictate whether you can keep those abs engaged or not. All right. So this is how you should not breathe when you're doing the swing. All right. Again, your abs are engaged. If you, and big deep breath of air in, and then as the bell comes down, you inhale your air in, a big gasp of air. What happens if you do that is your abs relax. That's the last thing you want. You want to keep them tight and braced, right? So last thing you want is to taking all this air. Did you see that my chest came up? My abs relaxed. I want chest down, abs contracted and shortened and braced. So how do you fix that? This is how you should breathe. Like I said, the setup on the bell, you're going to brace and then hold and then hike. And then as you explode the bell up, your power breathe. It's a hiss noise. It's a as you shoot the bell up, shoot that bell up. Your hips are firing forward. Abs are engaged. Bell's floating. You already did the work. And this is where the breathing you need to fix from engaging in or breathing in to power breathing, just a little bit of air in through your nose, and just enough to help you on your next rep so those abs stay braced. So the bell's up, it's floating, you're bringing it down. I bring a little bit of air in, but my abs can stay engaged still, okay? I'm not relaxing, I'm, see my abs are still stay tight. Breathe in 1 or 2 sniffs of air, and then all right, those are my 3 tips how to protect your lower back when you're doing your kettlebell swings. All right, so if you want to see the full breakdown of the whole swing set up step by step, I have a video. I will link that in the description below. Check that out as well. But let me show you how that looks. All right, let me show you how that looks. So this is it. This is how you do your swing, guys. This is a proper swing setup, and I do this before every single one of my swings, every single one. I don't miss every single set. I do this setup, all right? So practice this. Foot space away from the bell, all right? Because you want to have a good hike back, all right? Again, engage my core, all right? Power breathe it, hinge, find that space. Make sure I have a space for that hike back and swing. Grab the bell here. Tilt it back. Abs are still tight here. Pretend I'm breaking the bell apart. Pack those shoulders. Air in. and I swing. Hike it back and go. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait. 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 Always set the belts down motionless before you stand up. All right, guys. Woo! If you do those right, you're definitely going to shoot the heart rate up. So, that's how you do the swing. That's how you put it all together, guys. That's how you put it all together. So remember that the kettlebell swing can benefit you in so many ways. Burn fat, get you stronger, build an athletic and fit body, but also can hurt you if you do it incorrectly. That's why I'm showing you how to do it correctly. All right. Again, if you want the full breakdown, full video, just how to set up every single step on that, check that out. I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check that out after this video, or you can check that out right here actually. But this is 3 things that I know are going to help you improve your kettlebell swings. You can get rid of that back pain, get rid of that knee pain, and do your swings correctly. All right, guys. So, and if you want a full body 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute quick kettlebell workout you can do with the swing and other exercises, let me know in the description below with KB5. I'll send that over to you. You can get that full body workout done in as little as 5 minutes, guys. Again, description below if you want that full body workout, or you can start applying the swing and start actually putting into a workout among other exercises. And I'll send you that link. Again, KB5 in the description below. But until next time, guys, thanks for showing up in this video, staying with me. I hope I helped you with some key tips to help you improve your kettlebell swing so you can get rid of that back pain, get rid of that knee pain, get rid of those limitations so you can start doing those swings and knocking them out, guys. Swings are an awesome exercise. I love the swing, and I want you to be able to do it safely and consistently as well. All right, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, more full body workouts, more technique tip videos. And you know what? If you want to share this with someone that can help, maybe your friend you're training with and they're having low back pain as well and you guys aren't sure what to do, send them this video, share it with them. You guys can learn the kettlebell swing correctly and safely, and you can check out the other video where I break it down how to set up each step by step by step. All right, so until next time, guys, have an awesome day. Train strong, expect success, show up for yourself, be consistent every single day, get your swings in, safely of course, and enjoy the process, guys. I'll see you in the next video here. Have an awesome day, train strong, and get after it.